On this YouTube channel, we turn hard questions into gospel bridges. Justice and love. One cross, two hands. Justice stood in the courtyard, holding the scales. It had waited long enough. Every sin, every rebellion, every hidden shame, all of it was written in the ledger. The debt was real. The penalty was death. Justice could not blink. It could not bend. To let sin go unpunished would be to unmake the universe. Love stood beside justice, trembling, not with weakness, but with grief. Love had seen the sinner, known the sinner, formed the sinner in the womb. Love had followed the sinner through every wrong turn, every broken vow, every midnight despair. Love could not let go. To abandon the sinner would be to deny its own nature. For ages they stood, justice with its ledger, love with its tears. Neither could yield, neither should yield. Then the Son stepped forward. He took the ledger from justice's hand. He received the tears from love's eyes, and he walked to a hill called Golgotha. On that hill, justice did not lose. It was satisfied by the blood of the Lamb. On that hill, love did not lose. It was fulfilled in the sacrifice of the Son. The cross is not where justice and love met as enemies. It is where they embraced as friends. Because the same God who cannot ignore sin is the same God who cannot stop loving sinners. Justice was not set aside. It was poured out on Jesus. Love was not cheapened. It was demonstrated on Jesus. Now, anyone who hides in the shadow of that cross is safe. Justice has no claim because the claim was paid. Love has no limit because the gift was given. The cross is not a compromise. It is a miracle. The only place in the universe where justice and love kiss, neither one blushes.